Hi everybody, it's Erica again. I'm here in my Nasty Woman t-shirt, and it's about Planned Parenthood, if you didn't know. First time I saw it was on Samantha Bee. If you haven't seen her, she's fucking hilarious, so check her out. Also, I'll put the link for the omaze.com Planned Parenthood t-shirt thing if you guys want to buy them. Just to let you know. I'm going to talk about a little bit about healthcare today. I said in my last video, I don't know if you have watched it, that a lot of the medications for several different problems could be helped with medical marijuana. But anyway, today I'm going to talk about I got all my notes and shit here. One, yes, Obamacare is Affordable Care Act. So you want to make sure that if you do have anything that's connected with the ACA and whatnot, that you actually watch what the fuck is going on. Currently, they are trying to repeal it, because they want to repeal and replace and all that other bullshit. But I want to sit there and talk about what it actually covers and what I think. If they're going to replace it, they should replace it with this idea. And it actually follows a similar model of the European Union, which there are actually mapped out how a country can go to universal health care, kind of like what they have in England right now. I am happy with the national health system, which is what they have in England, the NHS. Only for one reason, and that is because it saved my mother-in-law. And if before I met her, she had actually had a heart attack and had a 7-week stint in England. By the way, my mother-in-law, which I'm not married, but it's my boyfriend's mom, and my mother-in-law had a pretty severe heart attack where she ended up while she was over visiting her sister and I don't remember who else, in England, and she is English. She was born there. My boyfriend has the accent and everything. I absolutely love everything there is to do about England. Yes, they had a horrible, horrible past, and King Henry VIII and all that loveliness. But you have Will and Kate now. You have Queen Elizabeth. They're just all fabulous. Even their scandals seem like insanely fabulous, but that's just me. But the overall ranking with the 58 countries, I don't know all the ins and outs of the Canadian system. I actually don't really know all of the ins and outs of the European system, but this is from what I have gathered and what I understand. Is currently in Europe and most non-third world countries, so the United States, Europe, Canada, even Mexico, Brazil, I think Brazil, I'm not sure, but the Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, all of them, they have a form of universal health care of some kind. So that means that they do not pay an insurance company, they pay the government. And I know everybody hates the idea of paying the government for something or even having taxes. And talking about taxes is so fucking taboo. And since we're coming up on tax season and everything, and I know I just got my tax check back and I got a bunch of shit. So I know everybody else is probably doing the exact same thing that I did. But anyways, what happens is on your paycheck, they take a little bit more out for Medicaid or Medicare, whatever it is listed on your paycheck. And when you get your paycheck, you don't have your health insurance taken out. So currently, right now, everybody that is watching this needs to actually look on their paycheck to see what the fuck they get charged for their insurance. Currently, mine is like $54, $55. Per year, I pay $1,300 to an insurance company, and right now my insurance company is Cigna, and they have pretty good coverage. I sit there and get pretty much all of my healthcare visits and whatnot pretty cheap. I have United Healthcare for my vision, so that's another like $5 or $6. So I mean, if you sit there and you add everything on right now, like that we have for health insurance, you have health insurance by itself, you have vision insurance by itself, you have dental insurance by itself, and then you have other shit that's getting taken out of your paycheck for Medicaid and Medicare, which I'm not on Medicaid or Medicare, but damn it, I hopefully if once I am retired, I'll be able to use my Medicare. But right now, it's like it's so fucking people are making shit way too complicated. Okay, we have Medicaid and we have Medicare, which are in the most basic essence. Actually, not even basic. It's exactly what the fuck it is. It is universal health care. All of it is paid for. How do we not sit there and have this for everyone except for, instead of just having it in the Affordable Care Act and with you actually going through the exchanges and shit that they have, which that is an option for some states that they actually put together an exchange so that you can get the cheapest price for an insurance. That's all well and good, but why not cut out the fucking middleman, get rid of insurance companies, and just have it through Medicaid? I mean, I know Medicaid right now and Medicare is ran pretty much through Blue Cross Blue Shield, but they pretty much cover fucking everything that you need when you're sick and ill. If you have Medicaid and Medicare and you're paying into it, and you don't happen to use it at all, it's literally just to cover your ass. That's all insurance is. It's to cover your ass. CYA. Somebody needs to make a fucking insurance company called literally CYA. Cover your ass insurance. So, and think about doing something that covers everyone. Get rid of I'm sorry, and I'm really for small businesses. I'm trying to sit there and get my small business together and my small business going. So I understand small business. You have a lot of capital at the beginning, putting everything together, and you don't have a lot of returns yet. I get that. But right now, our insurance companies are fucking monopolies in areas. They're taking advantage of people that are sick because they sit there and they pull the line. Well, you're using all of your insurance. You're also using everybody else's fucking insurance. And everybody is paying for one person. Okay, so talking about England. Right now, as per Wikipedia, because that's where one of the places that I went to look some of this shit up was Wikipedia. And right now they have a list of European healthcare and benefits. And right now, England is ranked 14th, and that's 14th overall, and that is including wait times at a doctor's office or in an ER. It is what their emergency benefits are. That's ranking everything that comes together to make their healthcare system, and it's even wait times at a doctor's office or if they can get an appointment. I mean, that's how it's ranked. And then right now, ranked number 1 is the Netherlands. And wasn't it not too long ago, Netherlands was ranked number 1 place to live in the world? And that's because they also have really good benefits with their employer. Like their healthcare and their employer and how their employers work is an amazing system. Like they have so many paid vacations. With us people from the United States don't understand what the fuck paid vacation is unless we've worked hard for it. Like they have so many holidays that they go on, and I have a really good documentary that I watched. And actually, I know some people don't like him, but it's Michael Moore, and Michael Moore went all around the world for his documentary. Okay, Michael Moore, when he sat there and did this great documentary, Where to Invade Next, I absolutely loved it. I went to sleep actually to it, but I ended up waking up and wanting to watch the rest of it because what I saw to begin with was so fucking great. and it covered their healthcare system. It covered their employee employee benefits, how much around how much they get paid. They get paid for pretty much any time off. I mean, they get it is insane. They get a in Italy. I'm literally speechless. Can you not? I can't put words together of how exciting it would be to live in like Italy. And trust me, as far as I know, I'm part Italian, but I'm getting an Ancestry.com thing, by the way. But I was brought up Italian, and thinking that hey, I could go back to the motherland and really enjoy life, because you sit there and all of their, and it's everybody, it's all of their employers do this. The Lamborghini employers do this. Dolce and Gabbana, they were all actually on this show, on this documentary, showing how great all of these other countries are. And I'm sorry, I'm a true patriot. I love the United States. I love Indiana. And Indiana is not the greatest fucking place to live. But I absolutely love my home state. Like I said, I've been born and bred here. I am straight up Indiana. So, I don't know, like, it is so awesome to see other countries and how they do it. And how they do it is they give their people a little bit more time to themselves. Like they have, on average, a month, if not more. I think actually only a month or 8 weeks of paid vacation, and they don't have to work their asses off insanely to get their paid vacation. Okay, fuck it. I'm over talking about Europe and how wonderful Europe is and how much I want to live there.